found this in the store. I thought it was pretty cool. It comes with 6 S Carabiners for about $5 or $10. I can't remember which. Not a bad purchase. They're stainless steel and they're by a company called Night Zine. They're supposed to be for keys. I thought they'd make pretty cool mountain climbing carabiners. They have a spring-loaded clip on each side of the S shape, and they easily come off this key ring. Something else I found is these fishing gear clips, and they were about a little over $5, I think. I thought they make cool mountain climbing gear, especially because you could lock them shut. And this part swivels, which is also pretty cool. They lock in pretty tightly, so you could actually use it to hold gear or hold on to other things like grappling hooks or other hooks. They're also stainless steel. If you take the swivel part and put it through one of the S carabiners, then you have a dog bone shape mountain climbing gear. And this would make a nice little accessory for mountain climbing gear. If you put one of the swivels on, it also makes into another dog bone shape mountain climbing accessory. I think these two together make awesome mountain climbing gear for your G.I. Joes. This combined with some other things that you could find, I think it'd make it really cool mountain climbing accessories. If you loop the rope through the bottom clip and then up through the top, your action figures can hold them and stay in place. It kind of locks it into shape. And if you don't have these plastic mountain climbing accessories, then this S carabiner would come in handy for that. And if you're looking to make a mountain climbing belt, I have a video there, the one I made for Darren. I also have a video for his gear sling that his mountain climbing accessories are. And that video is there, so please feel free to check them out. And hey, if you have pictures of your action figures mountain climbing or mountain climbing a gear you made yourself, please drop me some pictures and I'll post it on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.